Would you want to dug deep inside and learn how can algebra be made easy with Vedic maths and this particular sutra and a sequence of sutra coming after this? Let me show it to you how. Now, just try to pause the video, solve these questions yourself and tell me the time that you took. And after learning this method, these questions would be a matter of 4 seconds for you, nothing more, nothing less. Let me show it to you how. The first question would be, the answer to the first question would be x equals to 7. The answer to the second question would be x is equals to 8, minus 8. The answer to the third question would be x equals to 0. Do you think that I am just kidding around and I actually learned these answers and then came? No. If you think so, let me give a couple of more questions to myself. Then you will feel intrigued. Let's dug into it. If the question is, let's say 7 into x minus 2 plus 8 into x minus 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 2 is equals to 15 into x minus 7 into x minus 8 into x minus 2. The answer to this particular question will also be x is equals to 2. Okay. The fifth question that I am going to give myself would be x minus 14 into x minus 2 is equals to x minus 1 into or x plus 1 into x plus 28. The answer to this particular question would also be x equals to 0. At least now you must be a little intrigued. Let me show it to you how this is done. So, a little overview to this particular sutra first, and then we learn one by one all the things in linear equation using sutra number 5, quadratic equation, cubic equation, bi-quadratic equations using sutra number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 11. Okay. Now, the first, second and the fourth question follow the same logic, which says that if any particular factor or particular variable is repeating itself with the bifurcation of a plus, minus or an equal to sign, then just put that particular thing equal to 0 and get your answer. So that means x minus 7 would be equal to 0. So my answer would be x equals to 7. So now, at least now try and solve the second and the fourth question in 4 seconds. Okay, pause the video and do that. Now, the second question also says the same thing, x plus 8 here and x plus 8 here. That means I will put x plus 8 to be equal to 0 and get the answer as x equals to minus 8. Simple. Now, fourth question, same logic. X minus 2 here, x minus 2 here and x minus 2 here. So can I apply sutra number 5 again here and this logic again? Yes, I can. So I'll put x minus 2 is equals to 0 and get x equals to 2 as my answer. Simple. Question number 3 and question number 5 would follow some different logic. Let me explain that also. Okay. So third and fifth question says that if I do the product of the constants, okay, if the variable in all of them is the same and I do the product of these two, of the constant or the independent terms, it would be minus 75 here, and here also it would be plus 25 into minus 3 would also be minus 75. If the products are the same with sign, here it was minus 75, here also it was minus 75. If the products are the same, then that means that x is equals to 0. Simple. That is what shunyam means. Shunya means 0, samya means equals to, samuchaya means sum. Okay. Now, fifth example, now you can do in 3 seconds. Yes. minus 14 into minus 2 would give me plus 28, because negative into negative would be positive. Plus 1 into plus 28 would also give me 28, and plus 28 only. That means they both are same. So I can apply this particular sutra here and get the answer as x equals to 0. Simple as that. Now, please watch these sessions which are coming for you, in which we'll be discussing algebra based discussions. Okay. So, best of luck guys.